Artificial intelligence has become a common feature of everyday applications, helping users write, translate, summarize, search, classify information, generate images, analyze data, automate repetitive tasks, and make better decisions. Generative AI is particularly important because it can create or transform text, images, code, audio, video, and structured information, making it useful in applications ranging from email and note-taking to shopping, travel, education, photography, and business analysis. AI is especially effective for tasks involving language, patterns, large amounts of information, repeated decisions, creative variations, data analysis, and personalized recommendations. But it should be used cautiously when absolute accuracy, legal or medical responsibility, financial certainty, or sensitive personal data are involved. Effective use of AI begins with a well-designed prompt that clearly specifies the AI's role, the task to perform, relevant context, the desired format, and constraints such as length, tone, audience, or language. In email applications, AI can draft polite and concise replies, although the user should always review the message before it is sent. Notes. Applications can transform raw meeting notes into summaries, lists of decisions, assigned tasks, and unresolved questions while allowing users to compare the generated summary with the original material. E-commerce applications can analyze preferences, purchasing history, prices, and ratings to recommend suitable products, ideally explaining why each recommendation was made and allowing unwanted suggestions to be removed. Travel applications can generate personalized itineraries, routes, packing lists, and recommendations, although practical details such as prices, opening hours, and transport schedules should be checked against current sources. Educational applications can adapt explanations to a learner's age, knowledge level, subject, and learning style, with AI ideally guiding students through problems rather than merely supplying final answers. Design and photography applications can generate visual concepts, banners, illustrations, thumbnails, and alternative layouts, while users should be informed when an image has been generated or substantially modified by AI. Business applications can analyze customer feedback, classify support requests, detect recurring themes, identify trends, and suggest improvements. But important decisions should remain under human responsibility. Coding assistants can explain software, identify errors and potential security problems, generate templates, improve documentation, and suggest modifications, although AI-generated code must always be tested and reviewed carefully. Because AI systems can produce incorrect, incomplete, outdated, biased, or unsupported information, their answers should be evaluated critically before being used or published. Users should check factual accuracy, completeness, currency, assumptions, privacy implications, possible bias, and whether important claims require verification or citation. Responsible AI use, therefore, means treating the technology as an assistant rather than an unquestioned authority, and maintaining human control whenever its output may affect other people. Good practice includes reviewing generated content, verifying facts with reliable sources, avoiding confidential data in prompts, labeling AI-generated material when appropriate, and providing users with ways to correct or reject AI results. When AI is integrated into an application, developers should first determine what genuine user problem it solves, whether AI is actually necessary, what data it uses, and what happens if its recommendations are wrong. They should also consider privacy, copyright, transparency, feedback mechanisms, and whether users can edit, reject, or correct generated content. A practical AI workflow consists of defining the task, providing sufficient context, requesting a structured response, critically reviewing the result, verifying important facts, editing the output in one's own voice, and disclosing AI involvement when necessary. Ultimately, the most valuable AI-enabled applications are those that enhance people's ability to write, learn, search, create, analyze, and decide while preserving transparency, privacy, verification, and meaningful human control.